Hey traders, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to dive into a critical aspect of Forex trading, how to find the perfect entry points. We'll be using moving averages as our primary tool and exploring how to apply this strategy effectively. Let's start by talking about entry points. Finding the right moment to enter a trade can be a game changer. Whether you're looking to capitalize on trends or make precise entries, knowing where and when to enter can significantly impact your trading results. One of the most effective ways to pinpoint entry points is by using moving averages. This technique is favored by many professional traders for its reliability. Today, we'll break down how the moving average crossover strategy can be used to find these crucial entry points. We will use the New Zealand dollar to Japanese yen for our chart as our example. According to our dashboard, a moving average crossover occurred 29 bars ago. This crossover is particularly interesting because it confirms a clean downtrend. When moving averages cross, it's often a sign of a new trend or a continuation of the existing trend. In our case, this crossover signals that the downtrend is likely to continue. Here is how you can use this information. The moving average lines can act as resistance levels. After a crossover, you can use these lines to make decisions about entering new positions or continuing with existing ones. In a downtrend, the crossover can confirm that it's a good time to enter a trade and potentially ride the trend for maximum profit. Now, let's address a common challenge. Monitoring multiple charts and timeframes to find these entry points can be time-consuming and overwhelming. This is where my Forex dashboard comes into play. The dashboard is a comprehensive tool designed to simplify this process. It provides deep insights into currency momentum across various symbols and timeframes. The key feature is its ability to display all crossover signals as buttons on a single screen. This allows you to quickly see where crossovers have occurred and what the current trend looks like. The dashboard operates in scanner mode, making it easy to scan the market for potential opportunities. You can adjust the time frame based on your trading strategy. The dashboard breaks down currencies into sections, including Euro, United States dollar, British pound sterling, Canadian dollar, Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, Swiss franc, and Japanese yen. This segmentation helps you see which currencies are strong or weak and identify recent crossover points. At the moment, the dashboard indicates that Japanese yen is the strongest currency. The weekly column shows fresh crossover signals just 1 bar ago, which is a prime opportunity to enter the market or adjust your positions. In contrast, New Zealand dollar shows some weakness, especially in pairs like New Zealand dollar Japanese yen. This information helps you understand which pairs might struggle and which ones are more likely to perform well. By using this dashboard, you can save a lot of time and make more informed trading decisions. It streamlines the process of finding entry points and analyzing trends, allowing you to focus on executing your trades effectively. I hope you found this video helpful in understanding how to find entry points using moving averages and leveraging the power of the Forex dashboard. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more trading tips and strategies. Happy trading, and I'll see you in the next video.